What's up, guys? This is your boy The Rug. I'm back here with another video. Oh my god, this is a new content I'm trying out. I'm gonna see how this content goes well. If it goes well, great. If it don't, it is what it is. We'll go back to some car content. I'm just trying to mix some content together to see what people like. You know what I mean? Maybe I could make some car videos on certain days and make some computer videos on certain days. You know what I mean? Just mixing some content. But anyways, so today we have in here an RTX 5090. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this thing. And I thought maybe why not unbox it with you guys, so you guys can see me unboxing it, go through the process with you guys. We enjoy the process together. I'm excited as you guys are too as well. You know what I mean? So it's going to be something new I'm trying out. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for RTX 5090 or 5080, let me know. Just leave it a comment. Let me know. I'll see what I can do to help you get one. But I do have a 5080 and a 5090. I just got a 5090 today. I'll get the 5080 tomorrow. And we'll make some more content on it. All right. So, I'm recording here. I'm recording here. I'm recording on my phone. So many recording going on. You know what I mean? So, 5090 unboxing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around. And I'm going to chop it up. So, scissors. I don't have a nice scissors, a nice blade to really cut this. I'm using scissors. I apologize, y'all. This feels good to open up. I'm not gonna lie. It's open. Woo! The content is ripped apart. So we're gonna take the plastic piece out, and we're gonna see what's in here. Wow! Look at that. This feels surreal, y'all. I've never had a 4080, a 4090, a 5090, you know, so this is all new to me. My microphone is in the way, so I'm gonna have to ship that out. So you guys can see this MSI Gaming Trio, you know what I mean, 5090. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at this. So we're gonna go right ahead and pop it open. There's two tabs on the bottom. You can see the two tabs. There's two tabs here. We popped it open. And we're gonna, wow, look at that beast. Holy crap. So this is the content in here. You guys can see that. So this is MSI's product that they just came out with. It has the yellow tips on here for safety. That's what we're gonna pull out is the stopper thing. You know, this is what kind of helps the GPU not sag, because these GPUs are very huge, so they need some anti-sagging type of thing, you know. Oh, look at that. It's plastic. That's one thing I don't like about it. It's a plastic piece that they put in here, and I'm not a fan of that plastic piece that they put in here just because it's like real cheap. But I heard this part is magnetic, and this is some type of plastic, rubber, you know what I mean, but magnetic here. You hear me? So I'm gonna stick the magnet next to the fractal north, and we're gonna take the big boy out. So the big boy is gonna come out. Whoa! Holy crap! This thing is heavy. It is definitely not fitting in my fractal north. It is heavy, y'all. This device is heavy. What? It is heavy with the MSI logo on the back end of it. So I'm gonna move the box out of the way just so we have enough room to work with. But you guys can see this. It is heavy. Wow. Okay, we're gonna do the doo-doo and open this box up now by literally, I'm gonna be careful. I'm trying to reserve the take just so I can make a second content with the same information. So bear with me. Wow. Look at that. Holy crap. I thought there was This is the size of my case, y'all. This is the size of my case, y'all. What is going on? Look at that. Cool spinning fans. Look at this, boys. Look at that. Sheesh. Wow. It is heavy. The heat sinks are huge. The heat sinks are very huge, y'all. Very, very huge heat sinks. It's very huge. It's almost cutting my finger. You can't just rub your finger over it. I guess not, because I almost cut myself. But the heat sinks are very huge, y'all. Huge heat sinks. Wow. I like this. I like the black and the silver in the middle. You know, black and silver in the middle. It's pretty cool. So, oh my God. The 12x6 pin is right here. The capacitor or whatever it's called is all the way in here. Heat sink is huge. A bunch of heat pipes in here. But what I'm hearing is this does not have a heating, whatever it's called, in the Trio brands. But oh well. You know what I would like to do? I would like to get rid of this MSI top end, right? And build my own fans and put my own cover on it. So this is freaking beautiful. Alright, so if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the videos with your friends and your family. Peace.